truth and not somebody else dictating to you how to do your thing, which you know how to do better than anybody else.
Well, hello everyone, it's Terry, and this video is going to be done in conjunction with an unboxing, and it's going to be in conjunction with information contained in this book about Angraecoid culture by Fred Hillerman, who is the god. So let's just jump into it. The most important thing that I wanted to point out is the culture, as I said. And the most important elements of Angraecoid culture are water, air movement, light, humidity, growing media, and fertilizer. Water needs to be good quality. That will be the first sign that you will be able to see if you use tap water, because you will start to see the vitality of the plant go down as far as the leaves will be weak and often brown tipped, and the growth will just be weak in general and not upright growing, if you want to put it that way. Air movement is essential to provide them protection against fungus and bacterial rot from happening as they get lots of water, and they are found high up in the trees. So they depend on that air movement for them to dry quicker. And as it said, the black spots and other leaf disorders are usually exacerbated by that. Light really isn't such a crucial thing as this thing is saying. It just needs to be get enough light that it doesn't burn, and it definitely needs to be protected from the sun in the middle of the day, which is the hottest. But the plant will tell you if it needs some protection, as it will turn yellow, as it says here. Humidity is also very important, especially in the wintertime. You need at least, as I said, 80, 70, sometimes 90% humidity in the summer especially. But that does drop come nightfall. So they're not always in saturation. They need some respiration so that they can dry off, and that is aided by the air movement. And fertilizer, as I've said many times, there is nobody fertilizing the orchids in the wild, but they do get pooped on and they get decomposed organic matter, so which is high in nitrogen. So anyway, that's that, and I'm just going to show a few of the new plants I got. This is Angraecoid Orchid, which is a variety of Superbum or Eburnum Xerophyllum. This is more of still a Vanda type growing, but it is more of a reed type in growth, as opposed to this biggie, which is Angraecoid Jade Dragon, which is a cross between her Eranthes cordata, and Angraecoid viguieri. And that's really a nice plant. It should be bloom sized. Really, it should be. So, and the other Angraecoid is Angraecum compactum, miniature species Madagascar. So, those are the three I got, and that's all I got. I got some more plants, but they're not Madagascar. This little Isabelia. And then there's a couple cattleyas. This is Divine Phoenix Pterodactyl. And it's got a couple grows. And then this is David Sanders times Brassavola David Sanders times Brassavola cuculata. Nice. Again. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. Shout out to Fred Hillerman.